Today's video feature is, will you be treated differently for getting hurt on the job and filing a workers' compensation case? The answer is, you probably will. And it depends largely on the size of your employer. If you work for a small company, a small business where maybe there's an owner and a few other employees, it's much more direct and much more personal. The owner realizes that his premiums or her premiums are going to go up. Their insurance may even be canceled because of your accident. So naturally, you're going to feel some of that because that makes them very, very nervous. Your coworkers, same thing in a small business setting. They may not want to associate with you as much because they fear for their job and livelihood because they know the boss is not happy and is upset. Now, if your employer does something retaliatory like fire you, there is a law in South Carolina that provides some protection. You also may have some labor laws that also come into play. Now, in larger organizations where you have supervisors and then more remote managers, you're going to feel less of that for the simple reason size does matter. Now, in those situations, you may not get as much pushback because even though the supervisor might get reprimanded, especially if you violated a safety rule, they're going to keep it in-house, and they usually have in-house lawyers to guide them on how to handle this appropriately and professionally. Now, a couple of things to be crystal clear on. As your lawyer, the only people I may speak with would be coworkers, and I would do that only with permission from the employer and or their lawyer, because again, I don't want to create any waves for my clients, and I don't want to put the witnesses in any jeopardy as well. Otherwise, I will speak to no supervisors unless I'm in a deposition. I will speak to no owners unless I'm in a deposition. Instead, I will be working with insurance adjusters or defense lawyers. So you don't have to worry about hiring a lawyer who might create something that you have to finish. You can relax. This is an administrative claim. It is something you are doing not to punish the company, but to protect you and your family. Hope this makes sense and helps. If you have additional questions, call me 704-351-7979. That's my mobile number. Or you can email me, robert@rjrlaw.com. Thank you.